Weather is brought to you by your locally owned Midas of Eastern Ontario, with lifetime guarantees on brakes, suspension, exhaust, and now on tires. Come and experience the Midas difference.
Digging our way, or sort of slopping our way out of what we got yesterday. Mother Nature took care of a lot of it locally. To the north, it was more snow closer to the lake. It turned to showers quickly, and we didn't quite get that snow accumulation. And now we're looking at something else brewing, but as opposed to a Texas low, a Colorado low can be a little more snowy because it carries cooler air. We'll talk about that shortly. A few flurries tonight. Wet flurries currently mixed with showers, but as temperatures drop, are going to be more of a flurry. Some snow developing tomorrow, so we see that probability drop in the morning and then reestablish itself through the late morning, early afternoon across the region. 2 to 4 centimeters is possible. Increasing cloud Friday, and I say that because that precipitation you get tomorrow is going to move through very quickly. And then we're going to get maybe a little bit of sunshine Friday morning, but that cloud's going to increase. By Friday night, we're into some snow. And that's going to continue Sunday morning, but as temperatures rise, it could be mixed with showers. Yeah, we'll get back into the plus zone on Saturday. So look at all that purple up there in the northwest. Did you notice that? That's the polar vortex coming down to just hammer, along with winds, wind chill factor in the prairies, going to be like minus 50s. Yeah, nasty stuff. And while we enjoy the balmy 6 Celsius across southern and eastern Ontario, from Toronto right straight through to Kingston, that was your high today, and 9 in Brockville, 5 in Smiths Falls and Ottawa. And that's going to change. We're seeing it cool down already, sitting at a 0, and visibility is somewhat limited as we look at mostly cloudy conditions now. That chance of wet flurry mixed with showers through the evening will turn to just a chance of flurries through the overnight, but 60–70% probability across the region. So you will see a bit of a dusting overnight, but then it slows down in the morning. 18 millimeters of rain, and the final numbers on the snow, 8 centimeters. Now, there were other areas away from Lake Ontario that got up around 12 centimeters of snow, but it all got beaten down and melted today in most areas. Areas north away from Lake Ontario, seeing some of it stick a little better than it did right here in the downtown area. So off goes that double low, everyone making a big deal about the Texas low, and it was the big weather maker, but this subsequent low, the secondary low, was the one that brought in all the moisture. We're looking at a couple more small depressions. They're nearly phasing, meaning close proximity. The first of which will turn to a trough very quickly. Watch how these disappear like magic here. Just boom, gone, trough, the clipper takes over, and you get that snow through the day. So what you're getting now is the onset from the first depression, and then the probability drops off in the morning. The second one takes over, then you get that 2 to 4 centimeters of snow through the afternoon. This is the one we're keeping our eyes on. It's just as big and powerful as the last storm we had yesterday. However, unlike a Texas low, it's a Colorado low, and it's going to be bringing in a lot cooler air. So, and because of its arrival, just the timing of this, we think it'll be more snow because it's going to be rolling through Friday night into Saturday morning when it's cooler. And so, though it carries some moisture and milder temperatures in the warmer sector of the system, it'll likely be a snow event for most of us in eastern Ontario. So this is what we're looking at tonight. There is that small probability through the evening, overnight, anywhere from 40 to 70% probability. But tomorrow, yeah, we're definitely looking at snow, but look how quickly that moves through. Getting out of the way by Thursday afternoon, through the evening and overnight, we get into some clearing, but by Friday morning, that cloud starts to increase again, and then we'll get a mostly cloudy day Friday. That probability of snow doesn't come until the evening and continues into your Saturday morning. We may see that mixed with some showers as we get into the plus zone on Saturday, as high as a +3 in the Quinte region, with mixed precipitation by then. But it will be snow overnight Friday and continuing through your morning Saturday before you reach that +3. Tomorrow in Belleville, it's a high -1, and you could see 2 to 4 centimeters of snow thanks to that smaller low and the secondary low moving in behind it, the clipper. Friday, a high -2, maybe a little sunshine in the morning, but the cloud increases quickly, snow developing overnight, and like I said, it could turn to showers by the time you reach that 3 Celsius in the afternoon. Brockville, high -3 tomorrow. You could see a couple centimeters of light snow, not quite as intense. Friday, -4, a mix of sun and cloud, increasing cloud through the evening, leading to snow before morning. Could be mixed with a shower as we see a high of 2 on Saturday in Brockville. Smiths Falls hitting a -4 tomorrow. A couple centimeters of light snow is possible thanks to that clipper. Friday, mainly sunny, increasing cloud overnight, snow starting early morning, and that will rise to a 1. So it'll be a wet snow, maybe at times a little bit of a shower, but primarily a snowfall. Kingston, your forecast, a high -2 tomorrow. We've got a light dusting of flurries overnight, and then a possible 2 to 4 centimeters of snow through the afternoon tomorrow. Friday, a high -2, mostly cloudy. Yes, you could get some sunshine in the morning, but that cloud increases quickly, and then we've got snow overnight. Snow through the morning Saturday as it rises to a +2, could be mixed with showers. For Sunday, a high -4, mostly cloudy and a 40% chance of flurries through the morning. But then Monday, a high -7, mostly cloudy, the chance of flurries lingering at about 40% through the morning, and then up to about 80% by the evening. Tuesday, a high -7, mostly cloudy. Yeah, much cooler conditions, a high of -6 on Wednesday, cloudy, and that chance of flurries on hold. Now your weather wallpaper.
Weather Wallpaper is brought to you by Christine Geary's Maple Leaf Tours Travel Cruise. Visit mapleleaftours.com to get into the picture.
David Sigmund of Napanee sends in a couple pictures. This is Bridge Street West yesterday and the height of all the snowfall. Pretty picture to a degree, but yeah, it was a little treacherous on the roads, wasn't it? And this is an Arabian horse they all, David and his friends call RC. That's its name. Glad to see he's dressed for the weather.
Yes.
Where's the toque, though? We should have... Anyway, lovely photos, David. Thank you so much for sharing. If you've got pictures, share them with us at submissions@ckwstv.com.
No toque, Bill. It's not Christmas. No cute animal photos.
No.
Right? That time has passed, right?
That's right. Shh, don't say anything. Huh? People are going to start sending tons of those again.
How much snow can we expect from this Colorado low from Friday night into Saturday?
A bit early to get accumulations. I'm guessing those communities closer, and I'm going out on a limb here, the communities close to Lake Ontario, 5 to 10 centimeters.
Okay.
It will be a little milder thanks to the lake,
okay,
and we're a little closer to that warm sector. But like I said, a lot cooler air. Areas away from the lake to the north, cottage country, and to the east up through Smiths Falls to the nation's capital, you're looking at maybe 10 to 20 centimeters. Now that is an educated guess, but we'll probably know more over the next couple days as it approaches.
And the trick is to get out and shovel while it's cold, because you don't want it to be saturated with rain or showers.
Saturated,
That heavy wet snow yesterday, man, that's hard. That was hard to shovel. All right, thanks, Bill. We'll get your 10-day forecast a little bit later. Thank you, Paul. Let's find out if there's more active weather in the 10-day outlook, Bill.
Oh, yes, there is. We've got some active weather tonight, so a few flurries. It slows down in the morning, but by mid to late morning, we see it start back up again as a clipper rolls through. 2 to 4 centimeters of snow is possible. For Friday, -2 again for a high. Sunny to start, but that cloud increases quickly, leading to snow overnight. Saturday, snow through the morning, but as it rises to a +2, we could see it mixed with showers. Sunday, a high -4, a little cooler, still a 40% chance of flurries lingering through the morning, but then mostly cloudy for the balance of your day. Monday, a high -7. Yes, much cooler temperatures moving through. The chance of flurries out of the way until Wednesday. -4, a little better Thursday, as we see mostly cloudy conditions and a chance of flurries over Friday and Saturday again with highs of -6.
So below seasonal next week. Winter chill for sure. We'll be right back.